guys, it's IMEE Marquez and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, as usual, we're going to make another DIY vlog or a thrift flip video. So this is the before photo. We're going to need 2 togas. So I have 2 green toga kasi na inokay ng aking mama, which is binili niya ng mga 50 pesos only. So 50 pesos, dalawang gantong toga ang gagamitin natin. And this is the outcome, the after photo. So if you want this style, if you want to know how I made this style, just keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell para palagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos ko na i-upload dito sa YouTube channel ko. So, without further ado, let's get started! So for the first step, guys, so we're going to fold your fabric in the cone shape and start measuring your desired measurement of your skirt. So yung sa akin is 15 inches length yung akin, which is yun lang yung maximum length of the fabric, and then the measurements of the ruffles and all is in the screen, as you can see. And then of course you're not going to leave the cutting area row, so you're going to double hem all. And then you're going to connect the sides of the skirt as usual. Okay, and then after that you're going to make the ruffles na. You're going to make a loose stitch to make the ruffles of the skirt, of the hem of the skirt. And after making your ruffles by making a loose stitch, we're now going to pin it around the hem of the skirt. So I pin the ruffles outside and we're now going to sew it. Okay. By sewing your ruffles, guys, you're going to press the fabric para hindi mahirapan yung ating presser foot, para madali siyang gumalaw. Okay. And for the top measurements naman, naka-indicated na yung measurements sa screen, guys. And then we're now going to cut the marks, okay? And then after cutting it, we're now going to sew all around the whole hem again, the row edges. And then after that, we're now going to sew the top with elastic thread para mag-sheer yung ating top, okay? Mas better, guys, pag mag-shirt kayo, lagyan nyo siya ng line para hindi liko-liko yung pag-shirt nyo. Pero mas nasanay na din ako mag-shirt ng walang line. So, ganun na. Okay lang sa akin. So, after shearing, both connect the side seams. We're now going to connect the side seams, okay? So after connecting the side seams of the top, we're now going to proceed on the sleeves. And in sewing the sleeves, we're going to pin first the seams of the armhole and the sleeves. And then we're going to make some shearing at the upper part of the sleeves later. So after na natin i-connect yung sleeves niya sa may armhole, we're now going to make some shearing at the upper and the bottom part of the sleeves. So as you can see, I sheared 3 rows at the upper and 5 rows at the bottom of the sleeves. So ayan na po yung example ng ating shearing. So we're going to shear the other part then. And then we're now going to shear the upper part of the sleeve. So as you can see guys, madaming naitutulong ang elastic thread sa paggawa ng yung mga DIY projects. Like for the previous DIY ko, nagagamit pa rin ako ng mga elastic thread kasi yun yung mas pinakamadaling gamitin para sa ating mga DIY projects. So elastic thread helped me a lot doing and making my DIY projects. And we have here the top. We have the outline of the top already. So we're now going to connect the skirt para mabuo na yung ating dress. So we're going to pin first as always yung ating bandang sides and also sa may center, and we're going to stretch it later sa ating pagtatahi para equal yung pagkakatahi niya. Okay? As always guys, you're going to press it para mas madali yung paglakad ng ating presser foot. Okay? And after natin i-connect yung skirt natin sa may top, we're now going to proceed at the last step of this DIY. So I added some buttons to make it look so classy. What do you think of this? So that's all for today's DIY. We're now going to see the final transformation.